I have taken serious note of various challenges facing the state and your request for assistance and partnership. Anambra, as the Goli erosion capital of the world, we do everything to make ecological investment that will remediate it. Anambra and Southeast have huge gas deposit. That is true, but largely bypassed by National Gas Master Plan. I assure you that will be rectified. Abandoned federal road projects that link Anambra to Kogi, that can become the fastest gateway between Abuja and Anambra South and South-South. I agree. Anambra completely bypassed by the Rail Master Plan. I'm standing before you that this already designed and Ministry of Transportation is aware to include the connection in the master plan, and it will see attention. With our progressive ideological alliance, we will continue to partner with your state to deliver shared prosperity in the Anambra and all Nigerians. As your president, I've always said, and I'm saying the same thing now, in our national anthem, we sing and praise our founding fathers, that though tribes are tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. We will continue to be brothers. We are one family, single family, diverse, living in the same house called Nigeria. We are only staying in different rooms. Our diversity must lead to prosperity. We must work together to be a Nigeria.
The last state visit by a president was in 2012, ostensibly to commission a brewery and another private enterprise. This visit is not just to commission projects. We have over 500 kilometers of roads, flyovers, bridges completed and waiting for commissioning. We have about 5 brand new general hospitals and world-class trauma center completed, equipped, and waiting for commissioning. What you commissioned today, Mr. President, are mere symbolisms of the audacity of our dreams for a new Anambra state. Like the Americans would say, and as we repeatedly affirmed on the Anambra, you ain't seen nothing yet. Our Anambra, we are firmly and comfortably progressives. And in Anambra, we are intentionally giving our party an ideological soul with policies and programs strongly rooted in center progressivism. While laying the meta-level foundations as leaders in commerce, industry, technology, and leisure, we are in the traditions of Awoism and M.I. Opera, building the people sustainably. through absolute free and qualitative education from primary to senior secondary school, leading to lowest out-of-school children in the country, with bursary awards for tertiary students soon to come. We also have free antenatal, free delivery services benefiting hundreds of thousands of women, train and empowering thousands of youthpreneurs as millionaires. You can see some of them are here, a few of them are here. 1 year, training and empowering them, distribution of millions of palm and coconut seedlings, set to lift hundreds of thousands of people permanently out of poverty. Prioritizing infrastructure to uplift agrarian communities, exempting the poor and vulnerable from taxes and levies, and so on and so forth. I can say, Mr. President, when you look at these programs, are very progressive programs. I can see some parallels with the renewed hope agenda. Mr. President, fellow Nigerians, beyond Anambra State, Nigeria must survive and prosper. For the sake of Nigeria and future generations, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu must succeed. And we are prepared to support him in every possible way, not only to succeed, but to excel.
Your Excellency's personal record as a Nadeko champion of the return of democracy to our country in 1999 inspires my confidence that you will successfully steer the ship of our country through its present serious challenges, including the underperforming economy, which breeds massive poverty and widespread insecurity, to the destination that we, all the citizens of this country, desire. And may I, forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
who has changed the trajectory, touching our lives, all.
Asiwaju Ahmed Bola.
We will do this very fast. Please, I want to create.
And that's the new government house of
neighboring state and the future generation. I declare republic.
da Sunday suna ci kuma ba moto ma da zan je moto amma da kaman an samu da zai haura ne misalin an kilarin wani kawai sai ya ce wajen na da nisa na ne to ga na bi na tamburin ya fi son gare ku kai daga na shi kenan mu wuce
ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency John, ladies and gentlemen, Adam Tukudosia, the chairman, he will come on stage, will tell us a little.
1,000 youth billionaires every year, but so far so good. He has been.
Yeah, this is nice. Please, I want everybody in this place.
In your giddy Oniwon. And I want to use this opportunity to thank the governor. Please, a round of applause for him. Thank you. A chieftaincy title will be conferred